Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to report guys Infomobile mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infomobile mobile guys factory reset setting, how to factory reset, how to erase all data in Infomobile mobile. Friends, you want to erase all data, you want to factory reset your Infomobile mobile channel, how to factory reset one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your Infomobile mobile, click here system setting. After system setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device, language setting, date and time setting, reset option, system navigation. So friends, click here reset option setting, and friends you want to reset your Wi-Fi setting, mobile network setting, Bluetooth setting, click here, again click here, and you can reset network setting from here. Network setting has been reset. So once click here factory reset setting, erase all data setting. Once you want to erase all data in your device, once you can see this will erase all data from your phone, internal storage including your Google account, system map and data and setting, download apps, music, photo, other user data. So once you have photos, videos, movies, song, everything will delete, and once you download apps, your game, and you have VN apps, so you everything will delete. Download apps, download photos, music, everything will delete. So friends, before factory reset, before erase all data, friends, first of all file transfer your file, photos, videos, apps and movies, and then friends click here erase all data, and you can erase all data in your device. So friends, I don't want to erase. Friends, you want to erase, friends, click here, everything will delete in your device, your Google account, system app, data setting, download app, music, photo, other user data. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to factory reset.